Hello and welcome to this very quick video. Now, if you're like me, you tend to find things on websites that you would like to buy, but at this time of year for the whole Black Friday sale things, you kind of hold off and you keep it in your wish list and then check when Black Friday happens to see if there's any money off and you can save yourself some cash. I know I'm doing that with quite a few things at the moment, but the reason I'm making this video is it appears that some of the shops that we use for radio control stuff have started already, particularly places like Banggood. So I've been on there this morning and having a look around. It looks like their Black Friday sale stuff has already started, and there are some very good deals on there, specifically things like the Avatar V1 goggles, the Fat Shark version, which is the white and light grey version, for about £330, and also the Femi Manta that I looked at recently for about £113. Both of those are nice prices. So I just wanted to let you know that this is the case. I'll put the link to the Femi Manta. I got a discount code from those guys. I'll put a link down below in case you can use that as well. I bet probably won't be able to, but you never know. But also, if I get any more discount codes, I'm expecting a few from some of the vendors, I will be posting them on the channel. So make sure you're keeping an eye on things over the next 3 or 4 days, and let's hope we can all save some cash in the madness that is Black Friday.